Yo, what's going on, guys? Bravo. We're out here in Venezuela, getting ready to deploy for the day. Me and my main man Zach doing some things. Anyways, this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the HearClear radio that we're using today. It is based on cell towers, works globally, and this is the whole radio. That's it. Gone are the days of big booty radios. So if you guys want to check these things out, they're awesome. No geographical limitations. My teams can talk wherever we are, around the city, around the world. This is the future of comm gear. So heck yeah, we're upgrading. You guys need to upgrade the kit. So tired of dealing with groggy radios where, if a guy's in the city, we can't push signal. We want to make sure that our comms are continuous. More good stuff to come. Check out HearClear. These guys are really ushering in the industry to the future of comms when it comes to this layer of communication.